Airdrops right now are overfarmed. Perp DEXs everywhere, prediction markets, flooding all over the market. But in this video, we're going to talk about smart ways or alternatives to actually farm Perp DEXs and prediction markets more effectively. Stay tuned in today's video. So yeah, first of all, we're going to talk about some Solana airdrops here from Backpack. So Backpack is actually a Solana wallet that also integrates an exchange on it. So you can trade on it, you can use the wallet, do some transactions, keep your tokens in it. And yeah, it's pretty much integrated. It's an integrated wallet, and they are hinting towards the ticker with the Backpack emoji here. So yeah, all of you guys have been using Backpack or been trading with Backpack. I think you might be eligible for any rewards coming in the future. So yeah, do pay attention and stay tuned with our letters, and you might know when the claim and registration or checker period might be. So let's move on. So here is the interesting part, Perp Dex. So I know you guys might know a lot of Perp Dex all over the markets right now. Hyperliquid, the first one that launched, is a phenomenal one. It is the highest, it is the airdrop. This is the biggest and most successful airdrop in history. A lot of builders have been replicating their success. They're trying to use the same mechanics that Hyperliquid is doing, but I'm not sure if that's actually possible, because if you can see, for example, Lighter that just airdropped, and we've covered since a while right now. We covered the claim, how to farm it, and I think throughout the times in developing airdrop perps, I think it would be really wise if you do if you actually trade not only frequently, but you also hold your trade while you were trading. So it's not only generating volume, like you can spam volume, because I think most of these perps are incentivizing the users with zero fees like Lighter. And so what happens is the volume is really huge, but the open interest on the protocol isn't that huge. To be frank, that means no one is actually using the protocol itself. They're just trading on the protocol to farm Perp Dexs, and the volume and the open interest will actually fade away right after the airdrop actually dropped. I claim, and people can sell off their tokens. Like, it's an immediate drop. Like, here, let me view the charts. Sorry, Jocelyn, just skip this part. Here, if you can see Lighter's price action after their airdrop claim right here, it immediately dumped, but it consolidates and it went back up. But after people actually realize how Lighter's open interest isn't going anywhere and it's declining, and the fees and revenues on the protocol isn't actually generating as much as they expected because of other Perp Dexs giving out points faster and being more profitable, and the token itself will, in the end of the day, actually follows its fundamental value. So the fundamental value of the Lighter protocol right now isn't doing so well because of the open interest, which means open interest, by the way, the total of longs and short positions in a futures protocol. And there are a bunch of other DEX that has higher open interest. Hyperliquid could lose in volume, but I think it's still leading consistently in open interest in terms of market share and volume. So here are two Perp Dexs that we find interesting, which is EdgeX and Pacifica. Pacifica is on Solana and EdgeX is quite multi-chain, and we actually showed more interesting protocols on our premium analysis and our premium list, and it's a quite complete view of every single protocols and an explanation on how the point program will actually conclude on every week. So Perp Dexs right now are actually adjusting their mechanism weekly, so it allows for a more fair trade or fair points accumulation for people who are actually using the protocol, not only generating volume by spamming trades on the protocol. That's what matters the most right now. Hold on low open interest, and you can sell off when you're in profit. You can make money and make points at the same time if you know how to trade. It's a complicated thing of talking about trading, but since there will be airdrop points and you will get airdrops while trading in the protocol, that means you can cover up your losses while trading perps if you're not profitable by getting the points accrued after. So yeah, that's one of the smart ways to actually farm perps. If you want more review or explanation about Perp Dexs, you can visit our Dex video, and I think Brooke, our senior analyst, could walk you through a comprehensive view of the Dex situation right now. And yeah, by the way, just reminding you, we have a airdrop alpha letter right now. So it's basically a DeFi letter, but it's containing everything you need to know about airdrops, like new protocols, claimant checkers you need to know, airdrop farming alpha, are there any interesting yields, which airdrops you should chase, or which airdrop is more incentivized right now. Everything, or even new farms, you can actually find in our airdrop alpha. So yeah, the link is down below. And yeah, next one. So there's an interesting stablecoin protocol as well on Solana. And yeah, Solana airdrops has been quite interesting lately. It's been picking up and it's been adopting the Ethereum way of doing airdrops. It's a way more conservative airdrop rather than trading perps or everything. You can just earn yields on USD assets. Although you need to know and you need to be aware of the transparency of the protocols. And yeah, you can earn a reward, get yield, or you can amplify it or leverage it by trading YTs on EdgeX or on Exponent. And this is an airdrop hack if you actually want to know which protocols are actually giving out points. You can actually go to stables on EdgeX and you can see which one are actually giving out points with good implied yield here. You can get like a 14.5% fixed rate, but you won't get points. Or you can buy the YT and get 37x multiplier yield exposure. So that's a really interesting way on how to screen for airdrops on Solana, and you can also do the same thing on Ethereum or any other chain. So yeah, I think that's all for today's video. I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.